So, yeah, very good evening to all of us. So, today my topic is very common and very now popular one. So, that is my topic is called as ChatGPT versus Google. So, nowadays the ChatGPT is a very tough competition to the Google, as we already saw in the news and all. So, when we use ChatGPT, you can analyze yourself how it works, how it develops, how it modules. So there are differences there between ChatGPT and Google. So ChatGPT is nothing but it's a robotic artificial intelligence. Okay, it was introduced in the year November 2022. So previous year only. It was introduced by Microsoft. I think $1 billion invested in ChatGPT, whereas Google we all use now by searching a result, for example, getting ideas, getting techniques. So through Google we can learn a lot. So the difference between ChatGPT and Google we discussed in last presentation slide. Okay. So let's see the subcontent. So the subcontent I mentioned as artificial intelligence. So what is meant by artificial intelligence? So it's nothing but human system. So artificial means artificial intelligence robotics are both are same. So artificial intelligence are run towards two computer system as well as human system. So robotics are as well as robotics are the two computer and the two coding of giving given command of human robotics as well as any other thing game robotics other two coding only it works. So that is called robotics. So web pages. So different websites are there. So under that there are many web pages are there. So that's called web pages. So first of all, it's very welcome to all to discuss this topic about ChatGPT versus Google. So now ChatGPT has become more and more popular. So let's see the next slide. So in this slide I will go into explain about what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So it is a full form of ChatGPT. So it is an artificial intelligence robotic device. So, for example, if I am a robotics, so if you ask any question, any question to robotics, it will give answer within a minute or within a second. So likewise, in ChatGPT, if you search any topic search, you can get the result few seconds or few minutes. So it will be more useful to all people, especially children, students, and even kids also very useful, and even college students on the office project also may get more ideas by learning coding and the process of coding. Okay. So it was launched on November 20, 2022. So as I mentioned previous slide, so it was launched on November 2022. So I missed to mention that. So now it was November 20, 2022 was launched ChatGPT with a $29 billion. So investment of dollars is only $29 billion of Microsoft. Okay, it is an open artificial intelligence system. So it is an open AI is responsible of ChatGPT. Okay, I think it's under the control of OpenAI system. Okay, so next point is it is a new technology. We can get search results so faster. Yes, absolutely true, because within a minute or within a second we can get the results of particular topic search. So and we can learn in this we can learn a lot, including maths, formula steps, and programming language coding. Yes, Okay, but in max formula means if any sum means we can search in Google and we can know the formula. But in ChatGPT, if you type any sum means you will get the clear detailed answer with current steps, current formula steps. Then programming language coding also. There, for example, if you want coding of palindrome means once if you type in ChatGPT, it will get the detailed coding of the particular topic, and we can learn and we can cut copy and use in product also. Not only cut copy, even we can learn through by seeing the code also. So next point is it is very helpful to students getting idea about project essay writing. Finally, it gives more beneficial to all of us. Yes, it's absolutely right because students can get more benefited by this by about getting ideas in ChatGPT, whereas kids and children also will be helpful in the essay writing topic also. So it will be more helpful and useful, beneficial to all of us. So then let's see the next slide. So in this I will going to explain about what is Google. So in previous slide I forgot to mention about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is may or may be a cloud computing. So as I mentioned this point on last slide of difference between ChatGPT and Google. So we discuss in that slide. Okay, about ChatGPT is cloud computing or not. Okay, so let's see Google. So Google is a web browsing search project. So it is ancient. Okay, during 90s kids and all, it is very popular. So it was launched on September 4, 1998. So it is earlier. In the 1990s itself, it was introduced Google. So initially Google, yeah, in 1990s and all, when the computer, that time only monitor computer was slowly developed. Now it's become more and more developed. So through text bar and that we can use in computer. So initially Google was slightly popular, but later it was so popular. Yeah, even now also Google very popular. But the only thing in Google is we can get search results to web pages only, not like a ChatGPT. So ChatGPT means we can get search topic on a particular topic without any web pages. But in Google we can search a thing, but under the search items there are many web pages are there. We can choose any website and know the search information by seeing that web pages. So naturally Google play a role in present situation. So even now also many students, children and all people get more benefited by topic search. Yeah, yes, even students are benefited and children also benefited through Google only. So industries including. So under Google there are many industries are there. Even YouTube, then I think Gmail also, Gmail, then Google Meet, then Google Cloud, then Google Cloud Computing. So even Amazon also comes under Google only. So the industries. So these are the industries of Google which comes under Google. Okay. The last and final point is the headquarters of Google is at California. Yes, if you go to US in California and you see the Google company. So now the headquarters is at USA only, Google, USA, America. Okay, so let's see the next slide. So these are the images of ChatGPT. So in this, first we have to sign up. First we have to sign up the account. Then we have to log in. Then same normal procedure. Then in the box is given on this box. So you can search. You can type anything. For example, if you type moderate, no. Once you type in that box and you enter means you can get the results of search topic. So these are the images of ChatGPT. So it was controlled by OpenAI ChatGPT bot. So this company only is in charge of ChatGPT. So this company only is taking responsibility of ChatGPT. So it was, even though it comes under Microsoft, but artificial intelligence makes more getting result in a faster manner. So these are the images of ChatGPT. Even I heard that even in ChatGPT we can make a presentation of particular topic within 5 or 2 seconds, I think so. If you are searching Google and type is ChatGPT makes PowerPoint presentation or not, so you can get the result. So I think so. So in the future there are many update version may introduce like PowerPoint presentation, Excel, even Word also, MS Word also may come under ChatGPT. So to robotics artificial intelligence mode, we can use Excel in ChatGPT version. So let's see the next slide. So advantages and limitations of ChatGPT. So first advantage point is more reliable. Yes, as I said earlier, ChatGPT gives more useful and helpful. So it also gets more reliable and comfortable to all people to get results. So the next point is fast getting search results. So it can be getting results now, but in difference between this getting search results between Google and ChatGPT is, as I mentioned earlier. And so in Google sometimes if we go any website, but some due to network, it is based on networking only. So due to some network problem, it can automatically close. But in ChatGPT, the search result never close, because once if you type, it can get the result in a faster manner. So that's why it's called as fast getting search result. I mentioned that point. So next point is helpful and useful. Yes, it will be more helpful and useful. So as I said, mentioned earlier, so into artificial intelligence mode, we can will be more helpful and useful to all of us. So and then reduces time duration. Yes, but ChatGPT, I think time duration less only compared to Google. Okay, comes to disadvantage. So disadvantage of ChatGPT is, once if you type any search topic, but it ends with conclusion sentence only, not any other normal thing. So conclusion. Once if you, for example, if you type OT means, then it will give the OT full history, but finally it will end with ending paragraph will be the ending paragraph start with conclusion only. So that's why I mentioned ending with conclusion or finish. So all said there, its ending paragraph start with conclusion word only. So next point is less getting information. Yeah, but compared to Google, some information may not get in ChatGPT. So in Google and all, if we go to some various web pages, we can know and get more information on such topic. But in ChatGPT we can get less information. So next, let's see the next slide. So advantages and limitations of Google. So first of all, I want to ask, how do you all feel about Google website? So my view is Google helps very much, but sometimes due to internet issue or network and network broken means Google may not work. So let's see the advantage and limitations of Google. So Google getting information in detail option. Yes, it's absolutely right. Absolutely true. Once if you search anything, it will get detailed information answer, and it will be useful to all and then useful and knowing to all people. So then next point is helpful and useful to all. So I want to compare between helpful and useful to all between Google and ChatGPT point. Okay. So in this ChatGPT, what will be the helpful, what will be the useful? So getting results fast manner is helpful, and then knowing and learning things to search results. So answer is useful. So then in Google, what will be the helpful and useful? So in Google, for example, if you type anything, but if the result shows a particular answer on the top means helpful, because we cannot go and click on the various websites to know the search result. So immediately we can get the answer is helpful. Whereas useful means, so for example, if that information is not correct, if that information is not able to reach your mind, means then we can click on our web pages to know the search results and read in detail to get into the mind. So that is called useful to all. So in both ChatGPT and Google are most helpful and useful to all of us. So next one is cloud computing. So Google is cloud computing only. So no payments, no any others, no payments, no monthly payments. So freely we can use Google via cloud computing methods. So but in ChatGPT in future maybe cloud computing may come. So now we use free only. But if people use more means, then I think ChatGPT may include payment also. So let's wait and watch in future how ChatGPT will play via cloud computing or not. Okay. So next advantage is various websites under Google. Yeah, various websites. Yeah, we can, as I already said, we can once if you search under websites. No, that's point only I mentioned. Especially Quora and that very useful. Quora and that where many useful information are there. So even comment also there we can users comment also there we can learn and get the information. So next thing advantage is send and receive messages. So in Google we can send and receive messages to Gmail, Google Mail. So we can get fast, we can get easily send receive messages. Then communication. Yeah, Google Meet. Through Google Meet we can communicate through face to face, through video, through voice, Google Voice. So we can communicate easily in Google. Then download option. So it's a very common one. Download means we can download movies, we can download music, we can download any devotional songs, we can download any storybooks. So and all these are the advantages of Google. So that comes to limitations. So limitation, the main limitation in Google is, so once if you type some topic and that we can get answer in a short on the top of the search bar, top of the search bar, okay. But some topics and that we can go and click under various different websites, and sometimes, as I already said, if network or any network issue happen, it automatically goes, and again we have to click Google Chrome and we can click restore or type the topic again. So that is a limitation, disadvantages of Google. So next disadvantage is no secure privacy. So even some websites and no, it's not a privacy one. Some data may be leaked to without any privacy one. That is called no secure privacy in Google. So let's see the next slide. So in this slide I will go into explain about difference between ChatGPT and Google. So the ChatGPT and Google plays a very important role in today's generation. So first difference is ChatGPT is a new search engine, whereas Google is a old search engine. Yeah, ChatGPT is traditional one, whereas Google is modern, ancient one. So we can olden is otherwise called as ancient. So now ChatGPT is very going to popular, whereas Google already popular and used by all of us. Okay, used in all the people, used by all the people. Okay. So next one is ChatGPT shows results within minutes of second in detailed manner. Google sometimes due to network connectivity issue, few websites may delay to appear. In this search results are displayed through various web pages. Okay, I will explain this point. Okay, so in ChatGPT, as I already said, explained in previous slides, so it will get minutes of a second of what you which should choose a topic of search. Whereas Google, what is the main problem is, so if you type any website means, so that website may not open due to firewall issue, so that website may not open. So it may be delayed, or even if you saw no, if you type any website, it will last. It will delay to open, so it will take some more time to view the search results. Well, then next point is search results are displayed through various web pages. Yes, Google can show search results through various web pages, not like ChatGPT. Directly it will not show the topic results. Through web pages only it will be performed in Google. So comes to next one. Google is cloud computing, ChatGPT in future may be cloud computing. So as I already said in previous slide, Google is cloud computing, ChatGPT is cloud computing or not. Okay, so let me explain. So now Google is freely used, but some websites under not a cloud computing under Google. So some few websites. Okay, but in ChatGPT, comes to ChatGPT, if more users are used means, then ChatGPT may become freely used with all update version in future. It may be possible. It may be possible only I am saying. Okay, it may be possible. If users are if users are more using ChatGPT, then if students are use ChatGPT means, then in future Microsoft will will introduce a cloud computing method under ChatGPT, which means we can freely use ChatGPT like Google. So that's why in future it may or may be cloud computing. So it may be possible to provide cloud computing in ChatGPT. Okay, so last point is finally ChatGPT and Google plays a tough competition zone. Yeah, nowadays this is only happen. So ChatGPT and Google plays a tough competition between each other. So I think when it is going to end or not, but let's see who will win, Google or ChatGPT. So let's see the last conclusion. So in the conclusion, I conclude that so both Google and ChatGPT gives more effective and useful and helpful to all people. But both are different. Okay, compared to ChatGPT and Google, Google is different from ChatGPT. But Google is not artificial intelligence. Google is not artificial intelligence, but the ChatGPT is purely artificial intelligence. So I think if Google improves many new techniques, means ChatGPT will come some lawyer, whereas ChatGPT will introduce new technology development, means then Google may become slower. So I conclude that both Google and ChatGPT will be more useful and beneficial to all people. So let's wait and see in future what will happen. So thanks to all of us. So enjoy this video, watch this presentation video. So if you like this video, means kindly comment, like and share. Thank you guys and have a happy weekend. Happy weekend to all.